Hi, Katie here at Elite Automation. Here are some questions we commonly get asked by interested parties. Please listen or read our FAQ section before booking your discovery call. Question 1, is this truly passive? What do I have to do? So, from our experience, after the initial onboarding stage, our average client spends 5 hours or less per month on their business. We've structured it to be largely passive for the client. Ultimately, it is your store and your asset. Your primary responsibilities will be to purchase additional inventory, ensure you're receiving Amazon payouts, and manage payments for your inventory purchases and credit cards. This is your main duty as a client. Question 2, how much can I expect to make with my Amazon store? This will largely depend on your credit lines or your inventory budget. Our clients typically see monthly returns of 15% of their store's total revenue after the profit split, once the store has been fully scaled and is operating at full capacity after the initial onboarding stage. Therefore, increasing your inventory investments will directly enhance your revenue and, with stable margins, boost your profits as well. In the end, our most successful partners are those with ample capital to invest and who are consistent in securing and managing their business's credit lines and/or cash flow. Question 3, how quickly can my store be up and running? Typically, it takes around 60 to 90 days for your store to become operational, with your initial inventory being sent to our warehouse and sales beginning soon after. Items will be listed on your store slightly before this, allowing customers to start purchasing from your Amazon store. It generally takes 5 to 6 months for your store to reach its full operating potential, optimizing your inventory purchasing power and maximizing sales. Question 4, why don't you make multiple Amazon stores yourself? Realistically, for a few reasons. Primarily because Amazon allows only one seller per household and monitors IP addresses to enforce this policy. For capital reasons, we use and leverage client funds to purchase wholesale items at a discount, which are then sold on Amazon. We take a percentage of the profits generated monthly, allowing us to further scale operations and secure better product deals for all our partners. It's a win-win business model. Question 5, what types of products are sold on these Amazon stores? We partner with hundreds of well-known, reputable brands, many of which you might recognize like Keurig, Uggs, Paw Patrol, and hundreds more. We focus on sourcing products that are in high demand but have low competition, meaning a low number of other sellers offering an item for sale. And we optimize these products for SEO to make sure they're sold at competitive prices. As we establish a long-term working relationship, you may also have input on the product selection. If there's something different you'd like to sell, just let us know. Lastly, people ask us about our QAD, which stands for Quick Action Discount. Signing up as a client through our Quick Action Discount ensures you receive the following benefits: immediate $5,000 off the initial management buy-in labeled as a priority VIP client, priority onboarding, no annual renewal fee on your contract, which saves you thousands, automatic affiliate partner enrollment with Elite Automation. Please note, you only qualify for the following benefits if you sign up for an automated Amazon store within 7 days of your consultation call. We hope this video helped you understand more about what you can expect with us. We look forward to building you a very profitable store online.